Hi, this is Mrs. MacPhee, and this is November 16th, 2015, and in pre-algebra we were talking about Pythagorean Theorem, and we're going to use that today to prove that some triangles are isosceles. So this is the third problem on your homework. The first two were right here, and the third one's probably the most challenging, so you're welcome. If I want to prove a triangle is isosceles, I need to prove that at least two sides are congruent. And again, if all three sides are congruent, yes, it's equilateral, but it's also isosceles. So I need to go ahead and find the lengths of these sides without doing any measurement. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make each side of the triangle a separate hypotenuse of a right triangle. So for this first C here in blue, I have my first leg, which is 3 units long, and my second leg, which is 9 units long. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So C squared equals 9 plus 81. C squared equals 90. So C is the square root of 90. So that's the length of this side right here, the square root of 90. Now I'm going to find another side. I want to find this side of the triangle, so I'm going to make it a hypotenuse of a right triangle. And here is that right triangle. It has legs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6 squared, plus this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 squared, and that equals C squared. So this will be my hypotenuse. 36 plus 49 equals C squared. So C squared equals 85, and C is the square root of 85. So this leg of the triangle is the square root of 85. And if you want to estimate that or make it into a fraction, of course you can, but since I'm proving hopefully sides equivalent, I can leave it under the radical symbol. That's fine. And now let's do our last leg of our triangle. I'm going to make it another hypotenuse of a third right triangle. So here I have a leg that's 2, so 2 squared, plus my long leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And at this point, sometimes students panic because they say, well, this was legs 3 and 9, and this was legs 6 and 7, and this has legs 2 and 9. None of the legs are the same, so the hypotenuse must not be the same. Well, let's actually find the hypotenuse before we make that generalization. 2 squared is 4, 9 squared is 81, so look at that. C squared equals 85, so C is the square root of 85, which means these two sides here, my red side and my green side, have the same length, which means this triangle is isosceles. I hope that helps with your homework. You're doing a great job, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.